Well, let's start part 3, our OXO connection. And that's the zip tie connection between the motor assembly and our OXO turntable. Let me get a spot there for us. Let me just get the lay of the land and our instructions. We're going to temporarily put a zip tie in here and leave a couple of inches, etc. Okay, so we're putting these in just to figure out where to place the holes. Great. So I'll put this one in here and do the same on the other side. Okay, grab my marker here. It looks like I'm just trying to make a hole kind of in the middle of this apron. I think right about here. So that's for this one. And I'll do the same over on this side. Okay. Now use a sturdy hole punch to create the holes. We'll punch both the holes. Then we'll flip the OXO and we'll put the zip ties in. And I'm punching a hole that's about 5 millimeters or 3/16 inch. And that's the hole, that's the dimension of this, the width of the zip tie. All right. Okay, there's one hole. Okay, there's a second hole. So we'll put those down. Let me grab, again, we use the reusable zip ties because it just makes it so easy to, well, reuse them. I think here, let's see, insert the zip ties, flip this over. There's the 2 holes we just made. Insert the zip ties with the zip grooves facing up relative to this view. And that's these grooves. If you can see it, I'm going to mark them here. Right, so those grooves there. So make sure that those grooves are facing up so that when we flip it over, the grooves engage with that tooth in the zip tie that's on the motor assembly. So I'll put this one in here, grooves up, and similarly, grooves up, and flip this back over. And let's attach. We're now on step 10, 11, and 12. So put this on the other side. And we're turning. Great. So we're now ready to move on to build the motor adapter.